Welcome to our first webinar in the series, Why Choose New Home Construction? As a professional construction manager and home construction expert, I am excited to share insights that will help you understand the numerous advantages of building a new home. Thank you for joining us today. This presentation is brought to you by Transformative Construction Experts. Today, we will explore the compelling reasons why new home construction can be a transformative experience for you. Why choose new home construction? Customization. Tailored to your needs, one of the most significant advantages of new home construction is the ability to customize your living space. You can design a home that meets your exact specifications, ensuring that every detail reflects your personal style and lifestyle needs. For example, if you work from home, you might prioritize a dedicated office space or an open floor plan that fosters collaboration. Reflect your style. Your home can be a true reflection of your unique style. From architectural design to interior finishes, you have the freedom to choose elements that resonate with your aesthetic. For instance, you might opt for a modern minimalist design with sleek lines and neutral colors, or a cozy traditional style with warm wood tones and classic fixtures. Future-proofing. As your life evolves, your home can adapt. Whether you plan to expand your family, work from home, or age in place, customization ensures your home is future-proof. Consider incorporating features like wider doorways for accessibility or flexible spaces that can serve multiple purposes over time. Energy efficiency. Reduced utility bills. New homes often incorporate the latest energy-efficient technologies, such as improved insulation, high-efficiency HVAC systems, and energy-efficient windows. These features translate into lower utility bills, which can lead to substantial savings over time. For example, homeowners can save up to 30% on energy costs with proper insulation and energy-efficient appliances. Environmental responsibility. Choosing energy-efficient designs not only benefits your wallet but also contributes to a healthier environment. By reducing energy consumption, you play a part in minimizing your carbon footprint. Many new homes are built to meet or exceed Energy Star standards, ensuring that they are environmentally friendly. Modern amenities. Cutting-edge technology. New homes are designed with the latest home technologies, such as smart home systems that allow you to control lighting, security, and climate from your smartphone. For instance, you can program your thermostat to optimize energy use while you're away, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Contemporary design. The architectural and interior design trends in new homes ensure that your living spaces are stylish and functional. Open floor plans, large windows for natural light, and outdoor living spaces are just a few examples of modern amenities that enhance the overall living experience. Personalization. Every detail matters. Customizing your home goes beyond just a layout. You have the liberty to select and personalize every aspect, from flooring to fixtures. For example, you might choose hardwood flooring for its timeless elegance or opt for eco-friendly materials that align with your sustainability goals. Uniquely yours, your home will stand out as a unique creation, reflecting your personality and preferences. Consider how you can incorporate personal touches, such as a unique backsplash in the kitchen or custom cabinetry that showcases your style. Warranty protection. Peace of mind. New homes typically come with warranties that cover construction and major systems. This provides peace of mind, knowing that if issues arise within the warranty period, the builder is responsible for addressing them. For example, if a plumbing issue occurs within the first year, the builder would handle the repairs at no cost to you. Financial protection. Warranty coverage can save homeowners from unexpected expenses related to repairs or system failures. This financial safety net allows you to enjoy your new home without the constant worry of potential costly repairs. Higher resale value. Modern features. Well-designed new homes tend to have higher resale values compared to older homes. The inclusion of modern amenities, energy-efficient systems, and contemporary designs makes your home more appealing to future buyers. For instance, homes with energy-efficient features can command a premium in the market, as buyers increasingly prioritize sustainability. Well-maintained. New homes are often well-maintained from the start, reducing the need for immediate repairs or renovations. This aspect can significantly enhance your home's marketability when it comes time to sell. Conclusion. In summary, choosing new home construction empowers you with a level of customization, energy efficiency, modern amenities, personalization, warranty protection, and potential resale value that is hard to match in existing homes. This choice is an investment in your comfort, style, and future financial well-being. Now, I'd like to open the floor for any questions you may have. Please feel free to ask about any of the topics we covered today or any other aspects of new home construction that you're curious about. Thank you for participating in our first webinar. I look forward to seeing you in our next session, where we will dive into the planning phase of your new home construction journey.